Wanted to do a quick video for anyone that's looking to change their lawnmower blades on their Toro. This is a 42-inch time cutter, and basically what I did, I got my jack here, and I got a couple jack stands to put them under there just for support. You can also buy lawnmower lifts, but this is something easy that I could do and save some money. So under here, let me show you here what you need to do. You might be familiar with it, but if not, I'll kind of show you. So right under here, it's where one of the blades was. This is the bolt. Other side, there's another bolt. You take them off like a regular bolt. One of these, for me, cranked down real easy with just a wrench. That one over there was a little more solid, and I had to use a impact gun to get that off there. Don't mind the mess. I got some cleaning to do, and that's what I'm doing. But anyways, really simple to get off. Then all you do is you put the blades back up on here. You might want to make sure that it's the curved side that's touching here before you screw them back in. And really, that's basically it. Pretty straightforward and really not too hard to do.